What's up? What's up, dude? Oh, it is Thursday morning.
It's 9:06.
It's 9:06. Good morning, pal.
It's 9:06 on Thursday. Hi, Charlie. Say good morning, bud. Don't knock my coffee over. We'll be fighting.
Go fetch Mama some coffee.
With the hurricane coming, got some prepping to do. Gotta clean the backyard and hopefully get the lawn mowed. 'Cause in Florida, if you don't mow your lawn and then you have a hurricane, you have, it's a goddamn rainforest because the grass just shoots up. So that's what I am up at 9 o'clock on a Thursday for. Going to put up the French doors. Yeah, got some boards up. Or some cardboard. That ain't gonna work. Anyway, guys, that's the plan today. It's supposed to be a rest and stretch day, but ain't nobody got time for that. So you roll there, Win.
That was easy. Our bedroom. Yeah, because Dakota's already shut too. Those are all closed up, unlocked already. Our French doors are already taken care of. We got the metal shutters on those.
Never move to Florida. Stay away as long as you can. Or at least just don't come from like August to October. Just avoid the hurricanes. Oh, we gotta still bring all this stuff in.
Yep.
After we close these, just hit the garage and we'll bring them in the garage.
My pretty decorations that I just set up. The pumpkin already fell. That shepherd's hook isn't particularly anchored very well. Yeah. Dakota's already shut. It's fine.
This is after we stocked.
So it's Sunday, 10:40 in the morning, and we're starting to see the effects from the hurricane. The rain's kind of crazy. It's just kind of crazy to think, like, just last week, we were
Close all the curtains. Stay on the phone. We are.
Just came home to check the house. It's a tree in our second lot. Looks like our cable wire's down. But we don't have cable anymore, so it doesn't really matter. Let's go check out the backyard and hopefully not get electrocuted.
Yeah, that's from the front lawn, bro. From the front lawn.
Oh wow. Duct tape it back up. Yeah.
How it was. Once again, to take the look to the cat, the fucking cat, right? And something was there. All my
Well, the good thing is the house looks fine. House looks fine. Got cable wire down in the backyard. Other than that, everything looks good. The fence is fucked.
After you heard his name,
The fence.
that was nice.
Good morning. It is Wednesday. Hurricane's over. Got power back last night. Got a good amount done yesterday. I ended up calling out of work because I had to cut down a tree or two because it got uprooted. Yeah, things are getting back to normal for the most part. As you can see, had to cut down this tree. Still got a wire down. I cut down that tree. Right there. Haven't been to the gym since Friday because of the hurricane, so I'm itching to get back in there. Hopefully they're open. Yeah. So it looks like we're going on day 5 with no gym. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go home and do a random DVD workout. That sucks. Walmart for shopping and then home to do some type of workout. So we're just looking to get the breakfast basics. Talking to the camera. Yeah, breakfast basics. Banana. Eggs. Peppers and onions. Veggie breakfast sausage. Gluten-free bread. Just finished the workout. Did a T25 workout today. Some of you are probably wondering why even bother doing like a T25 workout. And I think the best thing is, especially after something like a hurricane or something, just to get back into that routine that you're used to. And for me, my routine is work out, eat, work, repeat. It's my basic day. So I'm just trying to jump right back into it, and doing even a short workout like a T25 workout helps me to get back into that routine and just jump right back in. So Megan's cooking breakfast right now because she's awesome. And that's where we're at. So I just got done editing the video that you're currently watching, and I realized I forgot to film another outro. So that's what I'm doing now. Keep an eye out. Got some cool stuff coming. We're doing photo shoot Sunday with Dakota. He does some really cool shit with the camera. Check him out on Instagram. I'll link it below. And we got some cool videos. We're collaborating with Roger, my nephew, JR Fitness. He'll also be linked in the description below. Other than that, guys, stay happy, stay healthy, stay hungry, and always give it 120.